Hi guys, so this is my analysis update on gold. Guys, what am I expecting on gold? I'll be doing a top-down analysis on gold. So what are we expecting on gold, right? We can see that gold in the monthly time frame. Remember, this is the monthly time frame right here. We can see that gold has finally started to give us some sort of a breakthrough to the upside on gold, because if you've been watching my previous top down analysis on gold, guys, you know that gold has been rejecting around this area, right? It has constantly been rejecting around this area, and it hasn't given us that push to the upside. So depending on how this candlestick actually close, because even this candlestick that looks like this, right, the month hasn't ended yet, right? Candlestick that looks like this can still weak out and continue to push to the downside, right? So, but we can see that overall gold is in a in a bull direction. We can see we actually broke this previous high. We broke this previous high. So overall, we can see that gold is. But remember that we are not a positional trader, right? Not a swing trader. This is a monthly time frame. So even despite the fact that overall gold is bad, we can always still get sales in between based on the fact that I am an intraday trader. So let's go to the weekly time frame and see how gold is. We can see that based on my analysis on gold previously, I am leaning towards kind of a sell on this weekly time frame right here, because we can see that we've been consolidating around this area right here. So right now I'm gonna put a zone right here just for us to know that gold has been failing to. Let me extend that. So this zone right here, let's put this zone right here. Mm. So we can see that gold has kind of been consolidating around this area right here. It gave us this bear engulfing candlestick, bear engulfing candlestick, as we can see, right? And that's why I think we will continue to kind of sort of push to the downside, and it has not even completed its downtrend yet. We know the market is an impulse correction and a continuation. So right now I think this is just the impulse correction, which is rejecting around the 88.6% fib level for us to continue to push to the downside to my TP, which is negative 27% fib level, and also a possible touch of the trend line, as we can see right there. So that is what I am looking at right now based on the weekly time frame on gold, guys, right? But don't forget that we have this bull candlesticks as well. But like I said, just because we have that doesn't mean anything. At least we haven't seen anything that warrant um a breakout structure. It may be giving us this kind of head and shoulder pattern right here, right? For it to continue to push to the downside, that's a possibility. So let's go to more daily time frame and see what gold is doing. Hmm. Let's see, based on my previous analysis, we have we're pushing to the upside right here. Okay, delete this one right here. I can draw. No, I don't like how it looks. Okay, so let's see. Let's fix this current analysis right here. Let me see that. Okay, from here to here to here. Mm, This make more sense right here. So as we can see, I've adjusted the fib. It's always okay to adjust the fib based on the current market. Yes, we can see that the market pushed to the upside for a while, broke this previous um lower high, because we can see based on this previous analysis we're having this lower high, right? We have this lower high, then this candlestick came here, broke this lower high to give us the higher high right here. So this is like an avalanche structure, and that is why it's good for you to know market structure, because it generally helps when the market reverses. So that this area was actually when the market reverses to continue to push the upside. And as we can see right, so as we can see right here that the market might push down. If I use a small fib right here, point A head to point B, we can see so that you guys can see clearly. Let me use a small one. So you can see right here that even based on this mini fib that I have right around this area right here for the buy and impulse correction, right, and a continuation to push to the upside, we can see that the market is currently eating my negative 61.8% fib level, and like I've said previously that is a reversal level as well. So we have the zone that has been reversing for a while, and we also have um negative 61.8. So I just have more confluences for a sell, to be honest, rather than a buy until otherwise happen. Like there is a, like we know the saying that says you don't predict the market, you react to the market, right? So that means if you want to take a trade around that area, you have to be patient to see confluences. But remember, I am not an swing trader, so I would never take an entry in a daily time frame. So let's go to my smaller time frame and see. So this is my 4 hour time frame, guys. We can see I'm gonna delete this trend line. It doesn't fit the current price action for me. We can see that even based on the 4 hour time frame right here, we have this trend line coming from the previous price action. We can see that the trend line is coming around here right here. So the trend line has become support, right? And now it's kind of like a resistance. So the trend line was a support here, right? And now it's a resistance right here. So which is really significant, right? Because we can see that it has rejected twice. It came here, rejected once, twice, and this is the possible third one. So that also gives us more confluences that there is a possibility of a sell around that area right there too. So let me extend that a little bit. Mm, mm, okay, that's good enough. So as we can see right there, that is what I'm looking for to. So actually don't let this actually deceive you, right? Until if you want to buy around this area, at least let it break out of this zone, give us this breakout structure, right? Then we can continue to buy. If we don't see that, then just be mindful, and I'd rather go for um, a sell. Let me do a meaning line right here. It should be, let me make it small. Line right here. As you can see, run around that area right here. Let's go to I want to put a zone here, and if I put a zone here, we can see that will probably align. I want it small. That will probably align with my negative 27% fib level right here. So based on that fact, I'm definitely looking towards a sell. I'm gonna put a mini fib point A head to point B right here. Let me see. 1 hour. Okay, from here to here. So as we can see right here, that the market is currently rejecting around 78.6% fib level right here. I just need more confirmation right? This is enough confirmation. Actually, this is a 1 hour time frame based on this, based on the confluences I've actually mentioned previously. And we can see this candlestick right here engulf the previous candlestick. It's giving me the sort of like an M pattern right here. We can see it's giving this sort of like this M pattern right here. So there is that possibility of it continuing to tank to the downside, right? So definitely towards a right here to my negative. So it doesn't align, kind of. I'm just gonna delete this box. My TP area, like you majority of you know, is my negative 27% fib level. So this is my TP1 area right here, and my TP2 area would basically be around this area right here, right? So let's put a line right here so as to know that there is that possibility based on how the markets react around our first TP, right? So if you still continue to see momentum of sell, then we possibly ready to TP2 right there. So this is my quick analysis on gold, guys. Hope you guys find it helpful. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. And I'll see you in my next analysis, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.